향기만 남기고 갔단다.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Urdu with Aruna. खुश आमदीद। वेलकम को हम लोग उर्दू में खुश आमदीद बोलते हैं। खुश आमदीद। हमने जो कल पढ़ा था वो था अलिफ, अलिफ मद्दा, बे, पे, ते, टे, से। जो आज हम पढ़ेंगे वो हम पढ़ेंगे जीम से लेके खे तक। द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज जीम, जीम. In English it sounds like j, meaning J sound. The next word is che, che, che. In English it sounds like C and H. Che. He, he. In English it sounds like H. He, he. In English it sounds like K. There are some tips I want to give you. So the tip is that आपने यहाँ से start करना है. You have to start from this and this. Jim. The difference is just dot, just like upper be, pe, te, te, and se. So jim. Next one is che. Start from first, and the second one is this. Okay. First and then this. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, press the bell icon and share it. Thank you.